Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Happy 2022. This is technically the second video of 2022, but the other one was from like the end of Vlogmas, the end of the holidays vlogs and stuff like that. So happy 2022. I hope that your New Year's was absolutely amazing, safe, healthy, the whole, the whole thing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this really sleek, very put together bun, and I feel like this is like my go-to hairstyle. You guys know I recently gave birth to my baby girl and I really just don't have a lot of time anymore. So anytime that I am just like racing out the door or that I want to feel like, I don't know, this hairstyle to me feels like clean and neat and put together. I'm very excited for 2022 and for all that I have planned for my channel. Let's get on this road to 5,000. Without further ado, if you want to see how I got this really cute and simple bun, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm starting off with this like bun that I had in my hair when I went to go take a shower. This is like a fresh black dye, probably like 2 washes ago. I love me a good black. I feel like black looks the most flattering on me. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I look older with dark hair. You can do this on dry hair. You can do this on, I mean, you're not supposed to really brush your hair and do a lot of maneuvering while your hair is wet, but you see these bangs? That's what's sticking out, is these bangs that got cut way too short that I cannot wait for these bangs to grow out. These are my brushes, so don't judge. Obviously I use them so they have hair in them, but you're gonna want a rat tooth comb. If your hair's wet or you have like really curly hair, you're gonna want to use your Denman brush. And then I have a brand new edge brush. And then I think I already mentioned the comb. This brush, I've got like 4 years I've had this brush. This is the Red by Kiss brush. This is nice to like swoop this way, if you know what I mean. They call this like the wave brush, but it's the brush that has like the hard side on one side and then you have your soft side on the other. The next item that you're gonna need is some EcoStyle gel. This gel, I feel like everyone knows what this gel is, what this gel does. This one does say that it doesn't have alcohol in it, like it's alcohol free, and this one has the olive oil, which I like the one that has the olive oil in it. Sometimes this gel, just like the Got2b gel, it reactivates when water hits it. So sometimes if you're trying to do your bun for like 2 or 3 days, this actually kind of works well because I really don't add any more gel. After today, I will just add some water, slick it down, 1, 2, 3, call it a day. If your hair is wet, or even if it's dry, like air dried, but like still a little bit damp, you're gonna want to use a leave-in conditioner. This is the Way leave-in conditioner. I really like this for when I'm doing my buns and my hair is still pretty wet for the most part. I actually used on my hair, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, when I did my wash and like my air dry, I used the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Hi girl! I like this because I feel like it doesn't leave my hair greasy or anything. It does give my hair some moisture. This Style Factor Edge Booster, I think you can find this at Target if I'm not mistaken. I found it at my beauty supply and I got ripped off because I paid $12.99 for this. And you know they be ripping people off because I don't think this cost $12.99 at Target, but whatever, I'm not gonna say anything. I had to do what I had to do. The last thing that I wanted to mention is this Moroccan oil treatment. This I'm literally obsessed with. I like to use this on the ends of my hair, the part that I'm gonna like wrap into the actual bun, because this is so good. I even put this in the baby's hair and it smells so good. Obsessed. I went and I fixed my part in the middle, and then I did with the top of my hair. I want a little bit of the end here. So the first brush that I'm gonna grab is the boar brush, and like I did originally, we're just gonna kind of pull it to the back. I'm gonna use the hard side. I tend to never use the other soft side. Like it's way too, like it doesn't do anything for me. Like for my hair's way too thick. So I just start to evenly spread the gel. Once that initial like set is there with the gel and then you use that brush, you're gonna take 2 scrunchies, and honestly wherever you want your ponytail on the back of your head is up to you. This is the part where you can start to like, I don't want to say like mold it, but I guess people say mold it, and this is gonna be where you get your like actual sleekness from. Like, this is gonna be where you put all your effort and all your attention to detail. So I can get into bigger areas and basically comb everything down. The back, I honestly don't worry about too much. I just use whatever's left over. I just do like this little swoop in the front because I have a huge forehead and I feel like this is just cute. It just depends on how I feel, like what vibe I'm going for. Like if I'm going out, which, who am I kidding? I'm not going out. I'm a brand new mom. My daughter is not even 3 months old. I do not go out, so that's a lie. But when I used to do this bun before, you know, Coviana, you do your bun how you want to do your own bun. I'm not here to judge. Hi, Nana. Yeah. You talking to mommy? I finally joined the bandwagon of those people who get the cups that have like the time of day it is, so you know how much water you're drinking all day. You're gonna want to make sure that everything is laid exactly how you want it. I don't know if it helps if I like come in a little bit and like show you guys what I mean. So once you have everything nice and laid down, nice and flat, and everything is to where you want it. I know some people at this step, like they'll go in and they'll put their scarf, or they'll do this next step first and then they'll go in and like put their scarf and stuff. I'm taking this boar brush again, the hard side, and all the hairs that didn't originally make it into the ponytail, like once I was sleeking everything down, that's what I'm going to be using to make sure that everything is still flat and laying down in the back. I'm going to take those same 2 scrunchies. I personally like to wrap, I do like 3 times around, and then I'm going to show you guys, I take I think 2 more scrunchies. I think this is 4 times. Whoops. I like my buns tight. I know they advise you not to do that because like your hair will break off and everything, but I take my ponytails out literally every night, so it's not like I'm sleeping in them or anything. Some days when my hair cooperates, I will leave it kind of like blow dried and bushy how you see it right now. But today I want to obviously do a bun. So by this part, everything is nice and smooth, nice and sleek, and you redid your scrunchies. I would either wet this or I would add a little bit of leave-in conditioner to it. I'm gonna wet my ponytail again, but I'm also going to be putting the Moroccan oil in that I showed you guys. I did just cut my hair in layers. I don't know why I did that. Oh my God. I can't. I feel like a 7th grader with bangs and like layers. I feel like I look so dumb, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna take the oil inside my hands and I'm coating my entire ponytail. I even take some and put it on the top of my hair so you get that shine. I did go back into the bathroom and I like re-wet the ends of my hair. This is gonna be like the secret to the magic. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quick. I'm gonna start to wrap. And then as you're wrapping this section under, you're gonna grab the other piece of hair and you're gonna just intertwine the 2 pieces. Hi from a special guest. Hi, Lele. You're like, mommy, how you come you do your hair but you didn't do my hair? Lele just woke up from a nap. Why? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.